Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll listen inward, learning to recognize the difference between striving for positive growth and pushing ourselves too hard. Take a moment to settle into your seat, gently anchoring into your sitting bones, and let your spine grow tall as you reach through the top of your head. Soften your shoulders, letting them relax completely. And slowly close your eyes. Now, take a few deep breaths in and out. Full inhales, complete exhales. And use your breath to call your whole self into this practice. And now, let your breath soften. Let go of any need to control your breathing and allow your inhales and exhales to happen effortlessly. And become aware of what your breath is like in this very moment. Notice its length. Observe your breath's temperature. Feel into its texture. Do your best to stay with your breathing exactly as it is. Now, let your attention widen, becoming aware of your physical body. Open up to any sensations that are present. Without seeking them out, notice any sensations that come up, observing how you feel in your body right now. And once more, gently return to your breath. Our breath tends to move mostly in the top of our lungs, at the front of the body. So let's take some time now to consciously direct our breath elsewhere. Breathing in, direct your inhale into the back of your lungs. Feel your ribs expanding there. And let your back ribs relax fully as you breathe out. Use your whole back ribs and lungs as you breathe. Noticing the top, middle, and bottom of the ribs and lungs expanding on your inhales and releasing on your exhales. And now, feel your body once more. Drop any judgments or labels and just notice how directing your breath to the back of your lungs may have shifted your experience. Simply allow whatever you're feeling to be exactly as it is. Now, soften your attention. It's human nature to want to improve our skills and qualities, and to grow into the best possible version of ourselves. We'll strive for excellence in our work, hoping for a promotion, or train hard for a triathlon, always trying to beat our previous times. And though we're generally aware when competing with others, we might not always recognize our tendency to compete with ourselves. For a number of years, I trained to run a marathon. Every day, I would religiously lace up my shoes and head out of the door, determined to run faster and further. I strived on a sense of accomplishment, convincing myself that it was good for me and that it made me a stronger, healthier person. I ignored the discomfort. I rationalized the pain, pushing further and further still, until one day the pain was so intense I was unable to run. One injury came after another, and if I ever wanted to run again, I'd have to learn to do things differently. As it turns out, my injuries were a sort of blessing in disguise. They taught me to really listen to my body's messages, to put my health first, to move with more ease, and to respect my limits. And though I might never run a marathon, I've grown to truly enjoy jogging and moving with gentle respect. There is a sense of satisfaction and contentment now that wasn't possible when I was training so intensely. So whether you're working 80 hours a week to get that promotion, or restricting your diet so you can drop those last 10 pounds, check in and notice if you're competing with yourself. Slow down for a moment, pay attention to how you're truly feeling, and understand your limits. Be gentle and loving so you can continue to strive for improvement without causing self-harm. Now, tune into your body once more and take a few breaths to notice how you're feeling. When you're ready, start to slowly move your body again and gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. See you again tomorrow.